Namaste to all. Welcome to my channel called Yoga 9. Now we are going to practice 3 shoulder bend exercise. For this practice, sit straight in any comfortable meditative posture. While inhaling, lift your shoulders up, exhaling down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Do it 5 to 10 rounds if you can. Next is the shoulder rotation. With normal breathing, just rotate your shoulders from one direction like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the last practice is also shoulder rotation. For this, keep your fingers on your shoulders, elbows will be together. Inhaling, raise your elbows up, expand your chest, then exhaling, bring it down. Again, bring your elbows closer. 5 rounds. Inhale, exhale. Inhaling, elbows up and expand the chest. Exhaling, bring it down and bring the elbows closer. Inhale up, exhaling down. Do it 5 rounds, 5 to 10 rounds if you can. Then reverse. Inhaling, raise your elbows from the back side up. Then exhaling, bring it down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhale up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhale down. Do this practice regularly, twice a day if you can. It will be more beneficial for you. Thank you very much.